In this clip, I will model an HTML form using a form class and object instance. I will describe what to expect the form class to do, look at a couple of features of the form class, and finally see how the form class is built from the ground up. One way to think of a class is that of a blueprint from which something is created. In the case of our form class, that something is an HTML form. Class constructs are used extensively in modern coding practices today and are the blueprints for building software solutions. Classes are used to blueprint all types of object functionality, including things like sending messages, connecting to a database, working with a web service, or in our case, building an HTML form. We now have a form class that provides for object-oriented HTML form creation. The form class is only concerned with building HTML forms. It is considered a best practice to build classes that are concerned with a single scope of functionality. As an example, we now have a form class that builds a form, and we likely will have another class that is concerned with validation of form values, and another that is concerned with messaging that might send a new subscriber an email thanking them for signing up. Going forward, we can change the form class capability by adding additional features to accommodate all of what HTML forms have to offer, and we will put some of that capability together in subsequent sessions. As part of extending the capability for the form class, we will add the ability to include form elements like text area, checkbox, and radio buttons. We will build a validation class that will deal with form input validation and use it with our form class. We will also build a filtering class with the concern of filtering form input, then use it with our form class. Advantages of building classes with a single concern include simpler to implement and maintain, and easier to extend and test. Here is a form class built with some properties, methods, and constants. It's not complete, but functional for our needs. So how do we build this thing? Well, let's look at how to build class properties first.